Okay, so now these questions, we don't have graphs, but we have xy points or xy coordinates. So the question is saying calculate the rate of change. So we're still doing the same thing. We're trying to find the rate of change. And to find the rate of change, we need 2 points. And the question has given us 2 points. I'm going to start on question 7 first, because it's a bit easier to explain. So we have our 2 points. I'm going to put my bigger point at the top. So 7, 12, it's up here. 5, 2 at the bottom. Same thing as before, the change in y. 12 minus 2 is 10 over 7 minus 5 is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our rate of change is 5. Now the question is saying write the function. So we know it's going to be y equals 5x plus something. Now we don't know the y-intercept because there's no graph and the question doesn't tell us the y-intercept. So we don't know what is this thing. So we need to work it out. Okay, how do we do this? We're going to choose one of these points. Let's pick this point, 5, 2. And we have to try and work out what is this y-intercept. So 5, 2, I'm going to write here. X is 5 and y is 2. Now, our equation or our function starts with 5x. 5 times x. X is 5. So 5 times 5. 5 times 5, this is 25. Okay? Now 25 plus something must give us 2. Now, it's not going to be a plus, it's going to be a minus. So 25 minus 23 equals 2. So this is actually going to be minus 23. Y equals 5x minus 23. That is our function. Okay, let's look at the next question. Write the function for the line that passes through these ordered pairs. So we have 4 ordered pairs here. We have 4 points. We have to write the function. The question doesn't say find the slope or find the rate of change. It tells us to write the function. But the first thing we have to do is find the slope. Okay, so let's pick 2 points. Pick this point and this point to find the slope. Let's put the bigger point on top. 2, 5 and 1, 3. Change in y. So 5 minus 3 equals 2 over 2 minus 1, 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So our slope is 2. So we know the function starts with y equals 2x plus something. We don't know what is this plus something. So let's pick one of these points. I'm going to pick this point here. Our x is 1 and our y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. So our function starts with 2x, 2 times x, or 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus something gives us 3. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Okay, so our answer, our function, y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, now let's look at question 6. Calculate the slope. So we have to find the slope of the line passing through these points. So I'm going to put the bigger one on top. I will choose this one. 2, 12, 5, 10. Oh, I'm going to change this question actually, because to make it easier. So let's change this to 6. So 6, 12, and 5, 10. Change in y. 12 minus 10 equals 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So the function starts with y equals 2x plus something. Let's pick one of these points. Let's pick 5, 10. So x is 5, y is 10. 5, 10. Okay, so the function starts with y equals 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus something gives us 10. Well, 10 plus 0 gives us 10. We don't need this actually. It's already 10. So the function y equals 2x plus 0, or just y equals 2x. There is no y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0.